Let's talk about floating shelves. More specifically, let's talk about how to mount them and what to use. I'm using mounts that I got right here. You can see that they're threaded on the one side and not on the other. This was actually twice its length, but I cut it off because we don't need it, because it would be sticking out past our floating shelf. You can see where you can get a wrench on it if you want. I've gone ahead and I've made a few marks. The idea is to figure out where we're going to put these. This is into a stud here. You can use the wrench. I don't know, there's so many ways. I'll just put it in here. Check that out. That gives you a little bit of wiggle room if you don't have your shelf quite 100% level.